Hi there, today I'm with Regan. And we're gonna do our sleepover nighttime routine. Yeah. So first, we eat our wonderful nighttime snack. Let's do it. Delicious. Second, we make our bed. Let's do it.
Make my sheets. Go like this. Go like this. And the face. Hello, guys! It's over, Carmen.
Ow. Next, we talk about all the juicy gossip at school.
Gossip.
Hey girl, so did you hear about Billy's grandma? Apparently she ran over a squirrel because she felt like it.
So bad. And did you hear about that fight? The 7th grader and the 8th grader.
I got a carpet burn. Such juicy gossip.
Juicy gossip.
Woo!
Woo!
Oh yeah. Next, we brush our teeth.
Brushy, brushy. Two.
Next, we watch YouTube till 3 a.m.
So fun. Oh. This dude's so hilarious.
Next, we fall asleep. That's the last one though.
No, Santa, stop! Bob the unicorn, I love you so much.
Oh my gosh, George. It's such an honor to meet you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe.
Subscribe.